How to add Instagram to TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram in TikTok. So, just navigate your TikTok in your device. And as you can see in the screen, I navigate TikTok and then click on it. Once you are in the screen, just click your profile and navigate the settings of your TikTok. And once you navigated it, and as you can see, just X that, just click settings and privacy and click that. And just go to your account and go switch to business account. I've already switched mine. And after that, after you switch to business account, just go to your profile again and click edit profile. And there you can see Instagram, add Instagram. Just click that and just sign up and you're ready to go.